So see question number what have find the expenditure, that means how much expend of putting a barbed wire around a 4 hectare square field. So a field whose uh, its area is what 4 hectare square field. Okay, and if it cost rupees 45 per meter, that means expenditure of per meter rupees is 45. Okay, and barbed wire means this type of wires. Okay, so we'll use this wire in around this field. Okay, so if per meter cost is 45 rupees, then what will be the cost of food if the area of this 4 hectare square field covered by this area? Okay, so here first we'll find the length of the 4 hectare square field. Okay, then we'll find per square per meter cost is what 45 rupees 45. Okay, so first we'll write here 1 hectare square field. 1 hectare means here wait there will be 1 hectare equal to these things you remember. Okay, 1 hectare means one 10,000 square meter. So this field is given is like 4 hectare square field area. So 1 hectare is if 1,000 sorry 10,000 square field, then 4 hectare square field means 40,000. 4 into 10,000. Okay, then it will be what 40,000 square meter. So area of this area of this field is what 40,000 square meter, right? So now from there we'll find the length of the sides. Okay, because this is a square field, so first if I find the only one side length, then we'll get the length of the four sides. So here each side is equal, all sides are equal to each other, right? So area of this field is what 40,000 square meters. So here we'll write we need to find the length of the east side, right? So here we'll write area of a square. So we know area of a square formula is what 4 into side. Okay, so here we'll write area of a square SQUARE equal to length into length, that means side into side, same. So area of a square field, how much given, how much is there 40,000 square meter, right? So here we'll write what square field 40,000, right? This one is given in the question. So here we'll write 40,000. So here length into length means L square, that means L into L square. So here this 40,000 is there. So how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So it will take only 2 zeros, and 2 square means what 4. So here we'll write here 2 is 1 0, and that this 2 0 1 0, and 2 square means 4. So we'll write 2. So if I give whole square, and it is 40,000 square 40,000. Okay, so L square equal to 200 square. So 200 square means what 40,000. So now L equal to what 200. Okay, square cancel out, then length is what 200. So then the side of the square length of the side of the square field is what now each side length is 200 meter, right? So from this what we'll find out perimeter. Why we take outing the perimeter? Because we need to know what's the total length of this boundary. So for that we are finding the perimeter. So here perimeter, you know the formula what. Sorry, there will be so perimeter of a square is what 4 into side. I have written here 200, so it is wrong. So I'll remove this one. There we'll write the formula. Okay, so formula is what perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side or 4 into length. So here we'll write 4 into side. Okay, and this side is what, yeah, I have written here L. Okay, so perimeter of a square is how much we will need to find. Okay, so 4s. So we will write here equal to sign will give So this one will remove. Okay, and then here we'll give equal to sign. So 4 into length of the east side is what? So here in place of s we'll write l, because I have written here side is l. Okay, then 4 into l is what? Now 200. Okay, so length of the east side is 200. Now it will be, if I multiply, then 4 to the what? 8, then 800. So now the length of the boundary is what? 800 meter. So now we'll find what? Now total length is 800 meter, right? So here per meter cost expenditure is how much? 45. So the required expenditure is what? Rupees per meter 45 rupees, then 800 meter, then we'll multiply 45 into 800, right? Then we'll get the required expenditure, right? So it will be 36,000. So 8 4 then 00, then there will be this 36,000. Okay, so this find the expenditure. So this is the expenditure of. Okay, so